Gloria AI Knowledge Base. Training. Gloria, let's head to the knowledge base. This is where you shape Gloria AI's brainpower. It's your library of information that Gloria uses to understand and answer your customers' questions. Content types. We've made it easy to add all kinds of knowledge. Local files, upload documents, spreadsheets, or any files you want Gloria AI to learn from. Links, share web pages, articles, or any relevant URLs. Text, paste in chunks of information, guidelines, or company policies. Uploading made easy. Sharing your insights is effortless. Drag and drop. Simply drag files from your computer into the Local Files section. Select Files. Click to browse and choose files from your computer. Paste, copy links or text, and paste them right in. Manage your knowledge. Once you've uploaded your content, head to the Sources tab. Here you can see everything in one place. Editing. If you uploaded text, click on it to edit and make changes as needed. Deleting. Remove links or documents that are no longer relevant. Why the knowledge base is key. The knowledge base is your secret to a super smart Gloria AI. Accuracy. Make sure Gloria AI gives the most accurate answers possible. Relevance. Teach Gloria AI to respond to specific topics or industry jargon. Personality. Infuse your brand's tone and style into Gloria AI's responses. Ready to empower Gloria AI? Start filling up your knowledge base and watch your customer interactions transform. Explore the rest of our documentation for even more in-depth tutorials and step-by-step guides. Visit iamgloria.com/docs for more information.